Welcome to Lesson 1.9, Problem Solving Strategy. Our essential question for today is, how can you use the strategy solve a simpler problem to help you solve a division problem? Mark works at an animal shelter to feed 9 dogs. Mark empties 8 18-ounce cans of dog food into a large bowl. If he divides the food equally among the dogs, how many ounces of food will each dog get? Our first step, we have read the problem, and our next question is, what do we need to find? That would be the number of ounces of dog food that each dog gets. Next, the question, what information do I need to use? I need to use the number of cans of food, the number of ounces in each can, and the number of dogs that need to be fed. How will I use the information? I can multiply to find the total number of ounces. Then I can solve a simpler problem to divide that total by 9. For our first step, we are going to multiply 8 cans of dog food by 18 ounces. For our next step, we can set up a multiplication problem, 18 times 8, in which 8 times 8 is 64, and 8 times 1 is 14. Therefore, 8 times 18 is 144 ounces. Next, we are going to divide 144 ounces by 9 people. We can break 144 into two values of 90 plus 54 to be divided by 9. We can then divide individually. 90 divided by 9 is 10, and 54 divided by 9 is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16 ounces. Therefore, 144 divided by 9 is 16 ounces. Now, one way to play with the numbers is to say, hey, why don't we multiply 16 by 10, because 10 is close to 9, and get 160, and since we want 9 16s, we could subtract 16 to get 144. Otherwise, we could set up a division problem in which we divide 144 by 9 to get 16. This is an example of how we could check our answer to see that it's reasonable.